is Lim Hui Sin. Today, me and my groupmate will present on the company of Geely Automobile. Geely Automobile Holding Limited is a publicly traded automobile company predominantly owned by Zhenjiang Geely Holding Group. It's an investment holding company primarily engaged in the production and sales of automobile. Initially, Geely focused their business as a refrigerator maker before entering motorcycle and automobile market in 1990s. Since then, Geely has been focused in specialized in the development, manufacturing and sales of various automobiles, including car, SUV and new energy vehicle. Geely has also expanded their business through international ventures and investment, forming strategic partnership and making significant investment. Over the year, Geely has expanded their business through various acquisitions and partnership, making it one of the largest and most influential automobile company in China and globally. My name is Lim Hui Sin. Today, me and my groupmate will present on the company of Geely Automobile. Geely Automobile Holding Limited is a publicly traded automobile company predominantly owned by Zhenjiang Geely Holding Group. It's an investment holding company primarily engaged in the production and sales of automobile. Initially, Geely focused their business as a refrigerator maker before entering motorcycle and automobile market in 1990s. Since then, Geely has been focused in specialized in the development, manufacturing and sales of various automobiles, including car, SUV and new energy vehicle. Geely has also expanded their business through international ventures and investment, forming strategic partnership and making significant investment. Over the year, Geely has expanded their business through various acquisitions and partnership, making it one of the largest and most influential automobile company in China and globally.
My name is Tan Cheng Hui. Now I present the question 3, the price, performance and give an explanation of the information. At 7.5 Hong Kong dollars, Geely Automobile Holdings has been showing small increases lately but significant decline altogether. The stock has decreased by 11.15% over the previous month, 5.78% over the previous week, and 21.86% over the last year. It performed worse than the index and sector, losing 12.73% and 30.59% respectively. The stock is approaching oversold levels seen in its below its 30, 60 and 200-day moving average. The stock continues to experience difficulty due to its high volatility and low dividend yield of 2.94%. This is the question 4 of the historical price of past 5 years and explanation of the information. Over the past 5 years, Geely Automobile Holdings has seen notable fluctuations. In 2019, the stock ranged from 1.23 to 2.1 US dollar, ending at 1.46 US dollar. In 2020, it peaked at 2.37 US dollar and closed at 2.54 US dollar, driven by electric vehicle growth. Early 2021 saw a peak of 3.85 US dollar, but supply chain issue and legislative change caused a delay. By the end 2022, it fell to 1.91 US dollar due to competition and semiconductor shortage. In middle of 2024, it traded at 0.95 US dollar, highlighting ongoing sector challenge and market volatility. Thank you.
Good day, sir. My name is Wang Xiaoqing, and now I would like to present my assignment part. And the first is question 5. By using LSEG, I have obtained the results and graph as below. So over the past 5 years, the dividend yields for Geely Automobile HDG, Hong Kong DS Autos and Parts, and Hong Kong DS Automobile have been closely aligned, averaging around 2.70. Specifically, Geely yields is slightly lower at 2.68 compared to 2.73 for both Hong Kong DS Autos and Parts and Hong Kong DS Automobile. So the yields between 2% and 6% are typically seen as strong, reflecting positive performance from these companies. And overall, their yields in 2019 were exceptionally high, but then they declined significantly in 2021. However, yields have seen rebounded after that. So the Geely faced a challenging in 2019 with sharp declines in profit and revenue compounded by the pandemic, leading to a 75% drop in sales in early 2020. And lastly, comparative Geely dividend yield is about 98% of the industry average, indicating it remains competitive within its sectors. And that's all from the question 5. Thank you. And next is question 6. Also by using the same method L6, I have obtained the results and graph as the below. So the Geely Automobile Holdings is currently rated as a buy with a recommendation mean of 1.52. Analysis has shown consistent confidence in the stock future as reflected in the stable target price around 13 Hong Kong dollar and a projected long-term growth rate of 18.99%. Despite some volatility in the stock price over the past 2 years, dropping sharply from 17.82 Hong Kong dollar in August 2022 to 8.41 Hong Kong dollar in October 2022. So the stock is consistently undervalued as the target price have often been significantly higher than the current price and suggesting potential for future appreciation. For example, in October 2022, when the current price hit a low of 8.41 Hong Kong dollar, the target price was at a substantial 20.63 Hong Kong dollar. So over the past 2 years, the recommendation mean has remained in the buy range, fluctuating between 1.46 and 1.77, with a limited number of strong sell recommendations, particularly between September 2023 and March 2024. The overall sentiment suggests this stock is a strong candidate for growth in the coming months. And that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Jin Kang, and now I'm going to talk about in estimate function, identify the top analysts for the company and give a brief explanation of the information. From the top three rating analyst rating, which is Huang Xili from Suzhou Securities, score 91, 5 star. Wang Bin from Deutsche Bank, score 89, 5 star. And Liang Yonghuo from China Merchant Securities Company Limited, score 87, 5 star. Company performance context. In June 2024 sales, Geely reported a 24% increase year on year, driven by significant gains in the pure electric and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle segment. Proton sales. Despite the overall growth, Proton, a partially owned company, was a 25% decrease in sales volume compared to the previous year. Annual sales target. Geely raised its annual sales target by 5% to 2 million units, setting expectation performance through formal confirmation of these unaudited numbers is still pending. Stock performance. Geely's stock has a moderate buy consensus rating on tips rank with a price estimation of Hong Kong dollar 12.18, suggesting a 41.8% potential increase from the current price. However, in the last year, the price had been decreases. And now I'm going to talk about estimate function, identify the interactive income statement, and give a brief explanation of the information. The, the information that is given is the gross margin. Yearly gross margin was 13.7% in March 2024, showing fluctuation with a forecast increase to 14.1% in June 2024, but a decline to 12.8% by December 2024. Operating and net margin. The operating is quite low at 1.9%, while net margin stand at 3%. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold made up 86.3% of revenue in March 2024, significantly impact profitability. For instance, revenue was 52,315 million Chinese dollar, with cost of goods sold at 45,186 million Chinese dollar. Factors affecting financial performance: rising operational costs driven by social trend, legal regulation, and economic policies. COVID-19's impact on the global economy, leading the higher costs due to the health regulation and supply chain disruption. Future look: although revenue is expected to grow to 289,713 million Chinese dollar by December 2025, increasing the cost of goods sold, will continue to the pressure of margin and challenging the profitability improvement.
Thank you, Jing Kang. I'm Li Jiashun. Now I would like to present the discussion of information in ESG on poison pill or other concern and give a brief explanation of the information. So, the poison pill is the tactic that company use to prevent hostile acquisition. Most common type is flip-in, which impair the acquirer control by issuing more share to other shareholder. But poison pill detail for Geely Automobile are available in Refinity workspace. Geely may not choose to adopt a poison pill due to they are willing to maintain a positive market perception, foster good share relations, signal confidence in company strategy and financial health, and so on. Geely Automobile has focused on ESG project to develop a sustainable better business environment to continue their business life. From the framework creation of the ESG strategy involve planning, internal and external discussion, and verification to achieve their goal. The strategy approved by the board of directors after the sustainable committee review enhance their business perception. The post publication focus is on monitoring ESG strategy success and adapting the internal external change and adjustment made as needed to enhance the sustainability performance. At the last, I would like to present a recommendation to a selected company, which is Geely Automobile, based on a financial analyst report. Geely Automobile stand out as a strong investment prospect with a maximum score of 10, reflecting exceptional performance across various metrics. Recent analyst upgrade has boosted the company earnings score, and there is a strong consensus to strong buy the stock. With a 12-month price target of 12.50 Hong Kong dollar, there is a potential upside of 59.4% from his current price of 8.42 Hong Kong dollar. Geely's strong fundamental including steady profit margin, a low debt to capital ratio, and a solid dividend history support a positive long-term growth rate of 90%, despite a recent one-year return of negative 13.8%. Geely is highly recommended as a buy due to its strong fundamental, positive growth rate prospect, and significant potential for capital appreciation in the near future. That's all our presentation. Thank you.